The coronavirus pandemic has now killed more than 25,000 Americans and infected at least 600,000 more. Some governors find themselves at odds with President Trump. The president tonight raising tensions with the World Health Organization. Inez de la Cutara has the latest from Washington.
President Trump announcing he's halting U.S. funding of the World Health Organization while his administration investigates the organization. The president accusing the WHO of mismanaging and covering up the spread of the virus.
The WHO pushed China's misinformation about the virus, saying it was not communicable.
An about face from a tweet back in January in which Trump praised China, saying the United States greatly appreciates their efforts and transparency. This move comes as Trump faces pushback over the way he's handled the ongoing crisis.
The President of the United States calls the shots.
After indicating he'd like to reopen the U.S. economy by May, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo responded by forming a coalition with the governors of 6 other states in the region to decide when to collectively reopen their economies. The governors of 3 states on the West Coast doing the same. Trump calling those efforts a mutiny, while the nation's top infectious disease expert argued.
Ultimately, the virus is going to determine when we really can safely reopen. Not only in general, but in a particular location.
Trump reversing course Tuesday and promising to work hand in hand with the states, but adding,
I will then be authorizing each individual governor of each individual state to implement a reopening and a very powerful reopening plan.
Constitutional experts say the president can issue guidelines, but the authority to close businesses during a public health crisis lies with the states, not with the federal government. Inez de la Cutara, ABC News, Washington.